must say the number of entries have increased manyfold, and it's becoming so difficult to judge, especially if I look at a category like innovation. Excellent work, and there were some brands which have done consistently good work across all categories.
One phenomenal improvement the organizers have made for the judges is gave each one of us an iPad, and everything was softwared, and the entry was not only available on the display boards, but the same thing was also available on iPad. So if you wanted to refer to it, it was instantly available, and the shortlist could come out much easier because of the software that was inputted into the iPads.
In terms of international entries, I think the Pakistan entries are surprisingly looking good, not in terms of ideas, but the way those cutouts and material and the finish is far more better.
One thing which is scope of improvement, which is that understanding that the idea comes first and then the executions.
I mean, the only thing which I think all of us felt collectively, that there were certain entries where the idea was nice, but probably it was not written that clearly in the board. So, I mean, I would just request the creative people that when they're writing the board, they should really spend more time in writing and describing their ideas.
One of the learnings we had is that if a lot of media companies work closely with creative agencies, the work can be presented far more sharply, and a lot of ideas which we may have missed could have also shown brighter.
Those who entered the awards this year should keep in mind, pay more attention to the craft of the actual entry, the boards, the videos, because that definitely helps in getting the idea across much better.
The judging process was very, very strict, and then was asked to be lenient. These are the who's who of the creative world, and the intention was to get all this, the level of the creative and from the outdoor up.
So out of home is not is no more a standalone medium, but it's part of the larger media plan, and it's an integrated sort of activity that's happening.
And I was very happy to see more entries in technology section in Out of Home this year. This is, I think, a very good start for Out of Home in the country.
I think that the work's taken a leap change over the last 1 year, which I'm very, very happy to see.
It was very informative. It was good to see outdoor with such innovative entries. Ambient was especially a very interesting category which had a lot of good work.
If I had to talk about the work as well as the process, I think I'll summarize it in just one word: technology. We saw very good work, really good work as far as technology integration in out of home is concerned, and the process too was really technological.
Can it be improved? Yes, I think it can. There are areas like media owners, they should really participate in much more than what they're doing today, because it is end of the day, it is their job. We are just using their media format to put stuff up.
I think this is one of the best processes of judging which was mounted in OAC ever, and lovely use of technology. I think things went very smooth, and the quality of the entries also improved tremendously over last year, both in terms of the way they've been presented and the quality and the understanding of entries.
The work, I think, has a lot of scope of improvement, especially the way we have written out our entries need to be improved. I think a little bit more understanding about the category is required by all of us.
It was also very heartening to see that outdoor as a medium is evolving a great deal. It's not just a static medium that you see and move on. It's not a medium where there's just some projection or some cutouts, which is all the innovation that's happening. Outdoor is getting mixed with a lot of things that you do in the other mediums. A lot of mediums are interacting with each other, and outdoor is being the key that triggers the cascade.
And I think personally I learned a lot more about the outdoor medium. We looked at so many different categories, and I go back a winner myself.